Welcome back. Well, the Mamata government has tabled the 3.89 lakh crore budget for the pre-poll financial year 25-26. Among the major decisions, the TMC government hiked the dearness allowance of the state government employees by 4% and announced several public welfare projects in West Bengal. We are breaking updates coming in. Some of the allegations that have been made in the budget is drawing flack from the BJP. While the government has allocated 1,228 crore for MSME and textiles, 866 crores has been allocated for North Bengal development. The allocation made for minority madrasa education is a whopping 5,602 crores. So the BJP is now questioning the priorities of the Mamata government. With the BJP's co-in-charge in Bengal, Amit Malviya, asking why does one sector get 4.5 times the allocation made to small businesses? So this is a tweet that he has put out, and he accuses the Mamata government of blatant appeasement. He goes on to say, shocking budget priorities of the Mamata Banerjee government in West Bengal. While Bengal struggles with unemployment, poor infrastructure and failing industries, the TMC government continues its blatant appeasement politics. Just look at these budget allocations, and then he has given out the numbers as well. So he has shown here the numbers that have been mentioned by the Mamata government. Minority affairs and madrasa education, 5,600 crore, so over 5,600 crores for that. And look at the other numbers in comparison. Micro, small and medium enterprises and textiles, 1,228 crore. Non-conventional and renewable energy, 82 crores. And North Bengal development, 866 crores and above. So where is the focus on job creation, industrial revival or infrastructure development? Why does one sector get more than 4.5 times the allocation of small businesses? Then he goes on to say, instead of uplifting Bengal, the TMC continues its vote bank politics, ignoring the aspirations of the youth and entrepreneurs. Bengal deserves better. That's the attack that has come in from the BJP, and this is likely to escalate in the coming hours, and we're keeping a track of that. But let's get you more updates coming